Do it because I promised my husband to cook the mushroom soup. It's very easy, but it takes lots of chopping, onion and garlic. Forgive me because this is the first time I video in the kitchen. I'm trying to figure out the light and everything. So a good knife for yourself when you chop things. I have my Zwillings live. I cannot cook without it at all. So, and for much easier, good tip for you, I always buy lots of garlic heads and open it and chop it like that into halves or whatever, and I put some in the jar in the fridge, and the rest I put it in the freezer. And once this finished, I will, because I learned that when you cut, if you don't use one whole onion in one recipe, you can cut it, but you cut it like that, lengthwise, not like that, because and you keep the end of it, so it keeps it fresh. Cut like that. I will cut like that because this is too big for my meal. Yeah, see, like that. And I put the rest in a Ziploc and seal it very well, so it doesn't make the fridge smell bad. Okay, I will use it for another time. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Anyway, I'm using my Le Creuset cocotte, whatever you call it, saucepan. I don't know how to call it in English. And always I like to mix the butter with the oil. So butter gives you some more flavor, and oil to prevent the butter to burn. Okay, I will put it now, and then I'll start to chop. And of course, as you know, you put the onion first and then you put the garlic last, so to prevent it again to be burnt. So now not a very nice time for you to do the mushroom. Everybody's saying it's better not to wash it, but for me, I still like to wash it, just in case if I find. And I bought too many kind of mushroom. This is the secret of this particular fresh soup, mushroom soup, that you try as much as you can buy different kind of mushroom, so all the flavor, because each one is meaty, one is herby, one is heavy flavor. Each one has its unique flavor, so it's nice to mix them all together, and it will end it up very nicely. So I'm trying now to dry and the worst one is actually the chanterelle, because it has lots of wrinkles. Cleaning it, it's not the best, so I'm trying as much as I can to clean it. Sorry guys. So now is my spatula. Yeah, this is now. I will put the onion first. And then they like to have the thyme, so fresh thyme. This is I found this one on Amazon, guys. This is the best so far. It's the best one for keeping the fresh herbs fresh. Yeah, see? Still very clean. Can you see the thyme? Very green. I love it. So I always love to put it like that. Can you see that? Yeah, if you can. I hope you can. Yeah, I think you can. Okay. And always, I always season every step. Every step. Not every step, but every step. Salt. And alhamdulillah, my husband didn't tell me that it's the salt, need pepper. And unfortunately I do it by eye like my mom. I don't taste any food. I can smell now the onion. And I will leave this one to put it by the end. Now, this kind of mushroom, I forgot this one. Which one? I only remove the stem from it. Now, you just dice the mushroom. Doesn't have to be any similar thing. Start to be golden. The onion, which is, if it's a small size mushroom, don't cut it too much because you know that it will shrink, right? Now I'll put the garlic, because the garlic doesn't take that much time. I don't know if you can see that. I want to show you. Yeah, see? We have to continue the mushroom. Forgot this one. What is the name of it? I think the oysters. Does it look pretty? But believe me, it will be very tasty. Kind of mushroom. I start to pick different flavors, different shapes to look pretty, different, different colors too. Let's mix and match. One. Different colors too, so make it prettier. Doesn't take that much. Yeah, the chantecaille Chantecaille, it's the worst one to be clean. It's worst shape too. But I promise you it will be so good. Promise you. It's better to dry it too before you cook it. And most of them you just need to remove the stem only, the rest it's eatable. I know that there are people, they hate mushroom, they don't like it at all. I know not that much, but in my entire life I met only 2, actually 3 I think, 3 or 2. Now it's getting so dark in Houston, which it's 6:15, but it's so dark. It looks like, I don't know, it looks like 9, but it's not 9. It's 6:15, but it's good. Forget about the hard work to clean it, but it tastes so good. Again, salt and pepper for the seasonings. I will put the beef broth. Little bit higher temperature, let it simmer. Anyway, we'll make the salad with you guys. It's easy salad, very easy salad. Let me wash first. I always buy this bag because I love too many colors. The 3 colors. And then radish. I love the taste of the radish as well. It's very healthy. And then this is my normal traditional, very easy salad ragu. Then San Marzano. Wash it. Bring a big bowl. Mix everything together. The only thing I don't like to make is dressing. I can make salad, but with a different twist. Too many kinds of salad. It depends on my mood. But tell me, do Neri any dressing? I hate doing dressings. I don't know why. So I get some of mixed green leaves. Talked about this before in my if you watch my quick video about how to organize my fridge. Those Rubbermaid, don't know, locks or something, can't remember. This the best to keep everything fresh in the fridge. It's very good. Okay guys, green. Okay, I take the same knife because the knife I use it for vegetables, but it's okay. Soup smells delicious. Delicious. Okay. I like to have lots of colors in the salad. I don't know about you guys. Do you like that too? For me, because I'm not a big fan of salads in general. So I'm trying always to make look tasty so I can eat it. You know? So, how about you? You like salad? You don't like salad? For me, I enjoy cooking, but salad for me is not my favorite. I love everything to gain weight. All the carbs you can imagine. This is my jam. But tell me, do salad, Neri? And if you like to keep, so you don't make salad every day like me, get lazy, or not big fan to do it, or whatever, you don't have time to do it every day fresh, I suggest that you don't add the tomatoes. Add the tomatoes fresh every time prior to service, because tomato get mushy. Anything soft and mushy, it's better not to put it in the salad, and put it after, before you serve, like the dressing too. Don't put the dressing and keep it overnight or even for 2 hours or so. Still, it will be so mushy the salad, and it won't last, and it won't look nice. It will taste old. But this is my trick. Put everything like me. I usually put the pepper, I put the radish, I put the green leaves, and no cucumber. Don't ever put cucumber as well, because cucumber, like tomatoes, it will get so mushy, has water. And the good thing, and this is from the Egyptian cuisine, that put herbs. I have here my husband, we bought yesterday from the groceries round baby carrots, which is very interesting. I've never seen it before. I said I will do it for Christmas. I will cook it for Christmas. And then I was about to throw the, what do you call it, the leaves, or the head of it, I don't know, and let it all. Stop me, babe, wait, you can use that. But I actually smell good. But this is my first time to use it, guys. It looks pretty so far. Look, the salad, so nice. And I want you guys, I love winter. I love clothes of winter. I love the cold of winter. I love the elegancy of winter. I'm not a big fan of summer and the humidity and the sweat. Ugh. Nope. Anyway, I like always to have herbs, fresh herbs in the house, because this is good, healthy, and put it in anything. It makes big difference. I put tortilla, I put cilantro, and now I'm adding parsley. This would be good too. So this all, I will take now what we will eat, put it in bowls, and the rest I'll put it in this my favorite container and in the fridge, and every day we'll take till it will finish, and stay fresh, you know. See guys, I think it's pretty. I will put it now in my container. Add the soup is boiling. Add the essential, the tomatoes, and see. Yeah, that's it. Leave that for us. The rest I will put it in the fridge. See, I have seeds, pumpkin seeds, I think, and almonds, very healthy, in the salad. And that's it. We'll be ready. I will put the oil and vinegar and the tomato by the end before we eat. I'll keep it here away. Here the tomato, I chopped it. Okay. The soup.